Hey guys, Greenbeast here, back at it again with another video, and today we're playing some more Blood Samurai 2, alright? But first, I was seeing that a lot of you guys, and I've noticed that a lot of you guys are having problems with the cast. So in the last video, I showed you guys what all the different casts are, but I didn't show you guys how to do the cast, So now I'm gonna teach you guys, alright? It's fairly simple, and this will help you for all your days in Roblox. Even when you want to copy sound IDs or whatever the case may be, alright? So basically, first, alright, in order to copy a cast, first let me switch on to my next monitor so I can show you guys how to copy. Alright guys, so while you're in game, you're gonna want to come out. You can press Alt Tab and then switch to your browser. Now go back to my video or wherever you have your cast. Copy the cast like so. Well, the stuff that's inside the brackets, you copy it that way. Press copy, or you can press Control C to copy. And then once you get into Roblox, take out your sword. You go in the chat, and you press Control V, and then that should let you cast. Once you press enter, if it doesn't work, then you probably put something wrong or you don't have enough wisdom, because you need 1 wisdom to do a cast. So I put it back, and there's a 30-second cooldown, so we wait 30 seconds, and then once you want to do it again, press Control V again, press enter. Well, I'm still waiting for my cast to cool down. Let's just wait 30 seconds, and it's probably up by now. Do it, and now we do our cast, and there we go. We got it. So it's as easy as that, guys. So just go copy it by pressing Control C, and then paste it in the chat by pressing Control V. If you're on a Mac, then you would press Command C to copy and Command V to paste. But since I'm using Windows, I press Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Now, if you're trying to copy and paste and it's not working for you, then I'll send a link of a video that you can watch, and it'll tell you everything to do to fix that problem. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and as always, go green. And I hope this video helped you guys.